What appears on screen is a running and training sneaker with a lightweight visual profile, the kind of shoe that seems built for movement rather than lifestyle posturing. The Under Armour Charged Surge 4 appears to target everyday fitness users who want a versatile training option. At first glance, the Charge cushioning platform seems to provide a responsive underfoot feel that suggests energy return during impact. The midsole profile appears moderate, not maximalist, not minimal, which may make the shoe adaptable across running, gym, and cross-training environments. One thing that stands out is the mesh upper construction, which seems engineered for breathability in higher intensity sessions. The fit appears structured without being restrictive, which tends to work across a range of foot shapes. Moving on to the outsole, the rubber coverage pattern seems to focus traction on the highest impact zones, which appears practical for both treadmill and outdoor pavement use. Some users note that the outsole durability holds up well across moderate weekly mileage. From here, the aesthetic leans toward performance first rather than fashion forward, which may be a consideration depending on whether the shoe is needed for the gym, casual wear, or both. Available colorways seem to offer enough variety without overcrowding the lineup. Overall, the experience feels like a reliable and straightforward training shoe from an established athletic brand. Some users may prefer more stack height for road running comfort. Depending on your training style and foot mechanics, the Charged Surge 4 appears to offer dependable everyday performance.